Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today we are making a patriotic wreath because it's February and summer's coming. Summer is coming. Why was that never a thing? Why was it always winter is coming? Anyway, yeah, so if you've never seen any of these videos, this is where we start off. This is a Dollar Tree frame with 18 pipe cleaners. There'll be a video right here. Remember to put it here, of how I wire these. There's 12 on the outside, 6 on the inside. There's 2 in each section on the outside, 1 in each section on the inside, and that's how we do it. I am using a poly jute and a red, white, and blue fabric mesh. This mesh is it's so soft, like it's super soft. And this is it's a mixture because I had a roll that was open, so I cut it, then I cut it another bit, you know, it's like 2 or 3 rolls of just this. They're all cut at 20 inches, 18 to 20 inches up in there, and yeah. So I am going to I'm gonna put this off to the side. I cut all my ribbons and everything already because, well, we'll get into that later if you watch the long version. So what I'm gonna do is, I want my jute on the bottom. I'm going to curl up both ends, give it a little bit of a ruffle. And I think I'm going to start in the middle and the inside, because every time I don't start in the inside, I'm like, why didn't I start in the inside? And why am I doing this when my index finger doesn't work? So again, we're going to curl this up a little bit, turn it, curl this end up a little bit, ruffle it, and this one's going, you know, when we put it in, we want them to form like an X. And this will make a super full wreath, like a very, very big wreath. And then we're just going to keep doing that. I have mesh everywhere because it's hard to cut the, especially this, not this one over here that you can kind of see it over here. That's got the burlap through it. That's from Hobby Lobby. It's so like it drags because of the texture. So I was just kind of cutting when I could. It was like, all right, I gotta cut these one at a time. Okay, so these are my ribbons. They are cut at 14 inches roundabout. They're dovetailed already. I'm gonna fold them in half to get the midpoint. Pinch it together. Fold it like this. Use my fingers to pull those out. So we have like a little bird. And then these are gonna go in here. I'm going to give these a couple good twists because nothing else is going in here. And then we will snip. Fold that down and spread these out. This is really nice ribbon. This is like some heavy duty ribbon. That doesn't want to stay over there. Oh no. Okay. And then we're taking the stripe and this kind of checkered something, putting them together, folding them in half to get the midpoint, pleating, folding, birding. What do we call that? Birding. And then these are going in next. So we went 2.5 to 1.5, 2.5, 1.5. So now I'm gonna pull out the 2.5, the 1.5, the 2.5, the 1.5. And I realized that I didn't cut enough of these. So I'm gonna do like, I know I'm gonna do like 6, and then I'm gonna add my bows. So yeah, so I'm gonna put most of these in, and then we'll come back and do the bow. I am going to make some quick bows for this. I think I'm just gonna do funky bows with this one, and then the red, this one, and then the red dot, and then the navy stitch dot, or whatever it's called. 7-inch tails, 6-inch loop, cut that real nice. It'll come through the other way with the 7-inch tail. Loop. We'll do the red on top. No, I guess we'll do the red on top. And this one's gonna go 6-inch tails, 5-inch loop. Tail, 5-inch loop. Right before I cut these, I'm just going. Before I tighten this, I'm just going to kind of get these where they need to go. Pipe cleaner. Put it through the middle, right there where the indentions are. Snug it up tight. Pull it hard. All right, my 3 bows are made. I'm going to grab my wreath, and they are going to go here, here, and here. I like to put these on first, and then put the one in the middle, and then we'll add our ties to the outside, and then this wreath will be done because I have nothing else to add to it. So, where I like to fill these in is one here, usually one here, and then my whatever will cover whatever else is left exposed. So, I'm gonna pull these in half. Pleat it, fold it, bird it out. This is the only thing about working ahead, is that I have no way of finishing this wreath right now. So there is our standard base with cruffles. Were they cruffles that would do it? Curls? Ruffles? Curls? Something. So I would probably either do it like this, put the bows over here, and then my accent over here, or like that. I don't know. I will find something, and then I will add this in there, but that's not going to be probably until I order from Craft Outlet again. So yeah, I'll come back to this when I have something to add to it. I think that this has been the longest I've gone between finishing a wreath and actually finishing it. I ordered a sign. It just says "God Bless America." It was the right navy, the right red. I don't know what else. I was at a loss. This is either gonna have to go in here like this, which I don't mind. Yeah, I like it like this too, but that would be sticking way out. Or I can put it in, I can take this bow off, put it in here. I'll put it over here, and then put the other bow over there. Or I can just put it in like this and it would hang. Huh. Because the bows are on one side, and I don't want to put the sign underneath. What do we think? What do we think? Quick, 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 quick. So, thanks for watching. That's not even cut. I did promise this wreath to someone. If it's on Etsy, she did not want it, so it will be linked down below. I promised a Patriotic wreath to somebody who wanted one. If she doesn't want this one, it'll be linked below on Etsy, along with a link to all my other wreaths. Patreon if you want to join us over there. Venmo if you want to buy me a box of great value coffee. And Instagram if you want to follow me there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.